Hey everybody, David here. So today we are in the mixing room, and as you can see, we do a lot of stuff with PPG. We use the Shopline brand here. They also have the premium line like Deltron and stuff. But today I'm going to go over on how to get the correct sheen when it comes to your flat colors. Our system just had an update, and I can actually add it right in the system, and I figured I'd go ahead and show you how to access that instead of having to do this long drawn-out formula to get the right mixture for whatever sheen you're getting, whether it's eggshell, satin, flat, or semi-gloss. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So when it comes to your flat colors, you got a whole bunch of different options. From gloss, semi-gloss, satin, flat. There's all the numbers, the FC01 down to FC05. These are all the numbers for flat, matte, eggshell, satin, and semi-gloss. Now, the flattening agent that I use is from OneChoice by PPG, SU4985. Now this is that formula that I always struggled with all the time on it. Today, we found out in this brand new system from PPG, the Link system, we have our color here, we have our formula ready to go. We're going to add reduction. This is typically where you would click and you could add your reducer. But if you click View All Available Reductions, right here is your flat, your eggshell, your semi-gloss. Right there on the screen, you can click it. Let's just do this one for example. And then obviously it gives you all the options with your different reducers that you may have. You can just hit Select on the end screen. It's already loaded up, ready to go for you. And then you just hit Mix. You're ready to spray. You have all of your activators, reducers, agents, everything in there.